Hello students, hello everyone. These days class 12 students of ISC board are preparing for their computer science paper. They are preparing for that. And these days I saw many videos on YouTube. Many teachers and YouTubers have uploaded the videos regarding strategy. How to mean strategy means what should be the plan, what should be the strategy for preparing that particular subject in this short period of time. Many videos I saw. So I thought I should also upload such video for my students, computer science students. So here I am with such video. Okay. In this video, I will discuss the strategy, means what should be your strategy, how to prepare in this short period of time for that computer science paper. Okay. Everything I will discuss, which topic will cover how. First of all, I will tell you the pattern of the question paper. Then I will go through the each topic, which topic will cover how many marks. Topic wise, point wise, top marks wise. I will tell you, I will explain everything in this video. I will try to explain everything in this video. So please listen carefully, and still if any doubt you can ask. Okay. So first of all, without wasting your and my time, let's start with this topic. Okay. So before preparing for anything, any question paper, you must know, first of all, you must know the pattern of this question paper. What is the pattern of that question paper? You must know. Okay. So if you don't know, still many of you are knowing. I know that many of you are knowing this. What is the pattern of question paper? But still, if you don't know, anyhow, if you don't know the pattern of the question paper, please download the specimen paper which is provided by Council through its website. It is cisc.org. Please download the specimen paper from there and try to know the pattern of the question paper first of all. Okay. But here I will discuss in this video. I'm going to discuss. I'm going to show you the pattern of the question paper also. But still, if you have confused, if you have any confusion, you can download the paper and you can know the pattern. So first of all, I'm going to discuss. I'm going to tell you the pattern of the question paper which is provided by the council. So let's start with this topic. Okay. So here I am with this question paper. Okay. Your question paper contains two parts, part 1 and part 2. Okay. Here are the instructions, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is compulsory section. Means in part 1 you have to attempt all the questions. It is of 20 marks. Okay. Then part 2 will have 3 sections, section A, section B and section C. Okay. Section A will have 3 questions. Out of that 3 questions, you have to attempt only 10, each of 10 marks, means 20 marks, section A. Then section B will have 3 questions. More specific, section B will have 3 programs. Okay, out of that 3 programs, you have to attempt only 2 programs. Okay, each of 10 marks, again 20 marks. And last, section C will have 3 questions. Out of 3 questions, you have to attempt only 2. Each of 5 marks means 10 marks. Means 20 marks section A, 20 marks section B, and 10 marks section C. 20, 20, 10 means 50 marks is a total 50 marks for the part 2. Okay, part 2 will have 50 marks and part 1 is of 20 marks. Okay, this is the pattern. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to discuss this part 1 and you can see the part 1 is of 20 marks. Okay. In part 1, question number 1, as I told, part 1 is compulsory. Compulsory section, all the question answers you have to write. So in part 1, which is of 20 marks, question number 1 will have 5 objective questions. Only this change council has made. They have added the objective questions also. So question 1 will have 5 objective questions. This you can see question number 1, question number 2, 2 objective questions, 3 third, 4th and 5. There will be 5 objective questions. From which topic, what should be the questions, that I will discuss afterwards. 5 objective questions. Okay. Then more 5 questions, more short answers questions will be there. Each of 1 mark. Total 10 marks. Question 1 is of 10 marks. First 5 questions are objective questions. There will be options. You have to select correct answer, correct option, and rest 5 marks. 5 questions are short answer questions. Okay. So total 10 marks. Okay, 5 objective questions, 5 short answer questions. So question number 1 is of 10 marks in part 1. Now question number 2 will have 4 questions. Okay, you can see first question, second question is each of 2 marks, and there will be 2 questions of output. One question of output will be of loop. Okay, simple loop, if else, whatever. So one question of output will be there. There will be 2 question of output, question number 3 and question number 4. Means third and fourth part of question number 2. So this third part of question number 2 is a question of output, and this you can see simple function and loop is here. Okay, it is of 2 and plus 1, 3 marks. Okay, like that fourth part is also a question of output, and it will be a recursive function. Confirm it will be a recursive function. This will also be of 3 marks. 2 plus 1, 3 marks. So 3 marks this output question, 3 marks this output question, 6 marks, and 4 marks for these. Total 10 marks. Question number 2 is also of 10 marks. 2 marks, 2 marks, and then these 2 output questions, 3 marks and 3 marks. So the first output question will be of simple output question of function and simple function, normal function having loop. And second question of output will be of recursive function. Okay, the 2 output questions are there, one of simple function and one of recursive function. Both are of 3 marks. Okay, so this is part 1, and part 1 is compulsory, as I already told. You have to attempt all the question in this part. Okay, topic wise marks I will discuss later. Okay, now see this thing. Part 2 is of 50 marks. As I told, part 2 will have 3 sections. Out of 3 sections, section A, section B, and section C. Section A will have 3 programs. Sorry, 3 questions, not programs, 3 questions. And each out of 3 you have to attempt 2 only. Question number 3, question number 4, and question number 5. These 3 questions are there. Out of these 3 you have to attempt only 2. Okay, what are the chapters, what are the topics will be covered by this section, I will discuss later. Now section B. Section B we will also, here in section B only you have 3 programs. Out of 3 programs you have to attempt only 2. Okay, I am showing this section B. Each of 10 marks, question number 6, question number 7, question number 8. You can see all 3 questions are what? Are programs. 3 programs are there. Out of 3 programs you attempt only 2, each of 10 marks. And the section C, here also we have 3 questions. Question number 9, question number 10, and question number 11. These 3 questions, out of these 3 you have to attempt only 2, each of 5 marks. Okay, so total 50 marks for part 2. Okay, so it is all about the pattern of the question. Please go through this, download this specimen paper from the council website and go through this. Okay, this is the first thing, as I told before. Doing preparation for any question paper, you must know the pattern of the question paper. Okay, then now I'm going to discuss the strategy. Now means I will tell you, not strategy also you can say strategy. I'm going to tell you topic wise marks, that I'm going to tell you. Okay, so listen carefully, that question paper I will keep in front of you. Okay, so what is the marks? I'm going to tell you the topic wise marks. Okay, so let's discuss. Let's start with this. You know, Boolean algebra. The Boolean algebra covers, you know, this theory paper is of 70 marks, 20 marks, and 50 marks. Okay, you know already what I'm asking. You know, it is of 70 marks. Okay, so out of 70 marks, let me tell you, the Boolean algebra, that chapter, there is no programming, there is no Java, nothing is there. Boolean algebra, if you are the student of maths especially, it's very easy for you. Okay, so the chapter Boolean algebra, only this chapter this topic Boolean algebra covers 30 marks out of 70 marks. It is 30 marks is more than passing marks. You know, passing marks se zyada hai. Okay, so this only the chapter Boolean algebra covers 30 marks out of 70 marks, and there is no programming, there is no Java in that. Generally, students used to say that sir, hamari programming मुझे प्रोग्रामिंग में बहुत दिक्कत होती है, तो प्रोग्रामिंग का जो वैल्यू है इसमें क्वेश्चन पेपर में बहुत कम है. Only this, I am telling you, no, only this Boolean algebra topic covers 70 marks, sorry, 30 marks out of 70 marks. Okay, let me show you. I am going to show you. See, if you can recognize the question, otherwise I will tell you this question is from that. See, this question number 1, you can count it. This question number 1 is of 1 mark. It is from Boolean algebra. Question number 2, 2 marks. This also 3 marks, 4 marks. Out of 5 questions, 4 questions were from that Boolean algebra. This question number 5 is from inheritance, so leave it. 4 marks over. Keep on counting. 4 marks. This question is also from there. That Boolean algebra. 5 marks. 6 marks. Then this is from the topic. 6 marks. Then coming down 6 marks. Then part 1. You can see part 1. There are out of 26 marks is from that chapter only. That topic only. Boolean algebra. 6 marks. Then this 5 marks. And this 5 marks means 6, 5, 10 marks, 16 marks. Okay, 16 marks. This question is also from there. 10 marks, 26. 26 I have shown you. Okay, I am not including this. This is optional. Out of 3, you have to attempt only how many? Only 2 questions. So this I am not including, but these questions are also from that chapter only. But I am not including that. 26 marks I have shown you. Sorry, means out of 70, 26 marks from this chapter on this topic only. That topic is what? Boolean algebra. 70 में से 26 नंबर इसी चैप्टर से आना. It's very important. Initially I told 30 marks. Okay, now they have changed. So this is of 26 marks, and 26 marks is more than passing marks. Okay, I think it's clear to you all. Okay, so Boolean algebra chapter is very important. I have uploaded many videos regarding that, regarding Boolean algebra. There is a playlist in my YouTube channel. That name is Boolean algebra. There you can see the videos regarding this Boolean algebra chapter. Many things I have uploaded. Okay. So again, I am telling you this. I have shown you. Out of 70, 26 marks from the Boolean algebra only. More than passing marks means if you don't know Java, if you don't know the programming concept, you will be passed easily. If you are thinking you will be failed in the computer science, but then don't worry, you will not be failed in the computer science. If you are learning, if you don't know the programming, even then you will be passed if you are preparing this topic, Boolean algebra. Okay, I hope I am clear. Second thing I am going to tell you, this Boolean algebra topic has one topic, that is K-map, Karnaugh map. Okay. So as I have shown you how many marks? 26 marks out of 70 marks is covering that topic. Boolean algebra is covering 26 marks. Out of that 26 marks, this K-map, Karnaugh map topic covers 10 marks. Think the importance of K-map. I am telling you. Karnaugh, I have uploaded many videos regarding Karnaugh map also. So only Karnaugh map topic in this Boolean algebra covers 10 marks. 10 marks. Let me show you. Here it is. About 50% means जो बुलियन अलजेब्रा टॉपिक मैंने बताया उसमें से 10 मार्क्स सिर्फ ये कवर करता है. दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑफ K map. You can see this is of 5 marks. See, let me show you. You don't. This is the question of K map, and one more question is of K map. This question, one of SOP, one of POS. I will discuss later. So 5 marks. This 5 marks means out of that 26 marks, only this K map topic covers 10 marks. Okay. So please focus on these topics. If you have problem with the program, I think we are getting this point. Okay. So out of 26, only this K-map topic is covering 10 marks. I hope I'm clear to all. Okay. This question is of strategy question or criteria question, that also I have video I have uploaded. Regarding each and everything, I have uploaded the video in the playlist Boolean algebra. You can see, go through that. I will try to give the description link of that video in the description of this video. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, so please prepare KMAP and please prepare everything regarding Boolean algebra, but prepare KMAP as I told the importance of this KMAP. 10 marks out out of 70, 26 marks is what Boolean algebra is covering. And in this Boolean algebra, there is one topic, that is KMAP, that is covering only that topic is covering. KMAP means Karnaugh map is covering 10 marks. I hope my point is clear. If I'll explain more, you'll be confused. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, now listen. So please prepare, do the preparation like this. I have taught you the importance of the programming, sorry, importance of the Boolean algebra. Okay, I hope I am clear to everyone. Now see this question which I have shown on the screen. You can see this question. This is question of criteria based question it is, and this is also 5 marks. This also you can prepare. This is a particular type of questions, and sure it will come in the examination. So you can prepare this such question also. I have uploaded the video for this also, criteria questions like that. I have uploaded one video for that also. So please prepare this type of question. These questions are very easy, you know. So 10 marks if you are preparing KMAP properly, 10 marks and 5 marks, 15 marks easily you can cover. Out of 26 you can cover this 15 marks easily. Okay, these questions are very important. Okay, so the one question, 2 questions of KMAP, 5 marks will come, and this question of criteria, such question of criteria will come sure. 15 marks will be assured. Okay, okay. Then in this Boolean algebra topic, there is circuits. Some circuits are there, logic gates. I'm including in Boolean algebra. I'm including everything. This logic gates also I'm including that also. So logic gates related applications means please prepare all the circuits. You know, there are half adder, full adder, encoders, decoders, and multiplexers. Please prepare all these circuits. At least prepare the circuit and their truth table. Logic diagram of half adder, full adder, encoders. In encoders, you have decimal to binary, octal to binary, and hexadecimal to binary encoder, and then decoder. Okay, 2 by 4 and 3 by 8 decoder, and their truth table. Means prepare all the circuits, half adder, full adder, encoders, and decoders, and multiplexers, and their truth table. You know, there is no logic, there is no programming. Simply you have to learn to draw the circuit, and you have to learn to draw the truth table. Okay, these circuits are very important. Please prepare all that circuits. This will also cover, let me show you. You can see here the one question of half adder. What is half adder? Draw the logic circuit diagram. So you have at least learn how to draw the circuit and how to draw the truth table of that. You can see this question, half adder. There will be some more questions. Let me show you. Then KMAP. So prepare all the circuits that will be helpful. What is decoder? You can see what is decoder, what is the different type from multiplexer. Many things, many questions are there. Please prepare all the circuits in Boolean algebra. Half adder, full adder, decoder, encoder, and multiplex. Okay, so that prepare these things also. There will be question from that circuit. You can see at least 2 question will be from at least 2 circuits. You can see here that question was of half adder. This question you can see from it's a decoder and multiplexer. So please learn this. This I am telling you the most important topic. Common things. If we will prepare this much only, at least these points, most of the marks will be covered out of 26 in Boolean algebra topic. I am telling you. Okay, I hope I am clear to everyone. Okay, then I'm discussing. This time I am discussing only about Boolean algebra. Okay, as I told the importance of this, so I am giving time to this. Now, the main basic concept of Boolean algebra means what you have to learn. One thing you have to learn here, that is Boolean laws. Okay, one video I have uploaded for the Boolean laws also. Boolean laws are very important. You can see it's very important for most of the questions. Many questions are there. If you know the Boolean laws, only then you can solve that questions easily. Let me show you. Boolean laws are very important. Please learn the laws, all the laws by its name if possible. Generally, I used to say to my students, please learn all the Boolean laws. Please by heart it. Okay, let me show you. See the first question. The law which states a plus b dot c equal to a plus b dot a plus c. Okay. So if you don't know the law, if you know the name, and if you don't know the law, then there is a problem. If you know the law, but you don't know the name of that law, rule you know, but you don't know the name of the law, then also problem. So you have to learn all the Boolean laws with name. It's very important. See this question. If you don't know the name, then there will be problem. Rule is given here. Okay. What is the name of this rule? Which law it is? You must know. The questions, if you know the question, if you have all the Boolean laws in your mind, then many questions you can solve easily. Let me show you. This law, associative law, distributive law, all the laws. I have uploaded videos for that also. I will try to give the link of that playlist in this description of this video. Okay. This question can also be solved if you know the Boolean law. Okay, De Morgan's law, more specific, De Morgan's law. Okay. Then transitive nature of question of inheritance. No problem. Okay, knowing the laws, Boolean laws is very important. Okay, now I'm coming to this section. See, simplify this question. Such question we have simplify or reduce or minimize. Same thing, all are same. So this question will be solved only if you know the Boolean laws. Otherwise, your pen will be stopped at some point. If you remember, if you know, if all the Boolean laws in your mind with name, only then you can solve this question. Okay, you can see simplify the following expression using Boolean law. Very important. Okay, so please learn all the Boolean laws if possible with name. See, this question also can be solved only by the Boolean laws. Okay, you can solve it by truth table, but it can be solved by the Boolean laws. So please try to learn the Boolean laws. Okay, so again I am telling you that Boolean algebra chapter, the Boolean algebra topic covers 26 marks out of 70 as I have shown. And out of that 26 marks, K-map covers 10 marks. Then that question of criteria as I have shown, 5 marks. And prepare the circuits, all the circuits, and learn the Boolean law. Okay, then most of the question will be solved of your Boolean algebra topic. Out of 26 marks, you will cover more marks. Most of the marks will be covered by you. Okay, I hope I'm clear to everyone. What is the importance of Boolean laws? बहुत thoroughly मैंने explain कर दिया, बहुत कुछ बता दिया. Still, if you have any confusion, if you have any question, if you want to ask, you can ask through comment section. Okay. Now coming to the section A, will have the question. Most of the question will be from the in part 2 section A. Most of the question will be from the what? From Boolean algebra only. All the question will be from Boolean algebra only in section B, part 2, section B. All the questions are from that chapter only. Okay. Now section B. Section B will have C programming. Only 3 programs are here. Out of that 3 programs, we have to attempt only 2. Programming की बात करें तो 20 marks of programming. Okay. So 3 types of questions will be there. First question will be of number programming, of loop you can say, any number of that type of question. Okay. Second program will be of string or array. Second program is here of array. Second program will be of array. And the third program will be of string. Again, I'm telling you, first program will be number programming, loop and all you can say. Second programming will be of array, and third programming will be of string. These 3 types of programs will be there. Whichever part is strong, if your array is strong, prepare for array and string. If your array string is strong, prepare array string. If your number programming and string is okay, prepare for that. So 3 programs out of 3, you have to attempt only 2 programs. First program will be number programming or loop programming. Second program will be of array. Third program will be of string. Okay. Now coming to section C. In section C, there are 3 questions. I told 3 questions. Out of that 3 questions, 2 programs will be there. One program will be of inheritance. One program will be of inheritance. Okay, and second program will be of stack and queue, stack or queue, either stack or queue, sometimes stack, sometimes queue. Pattern question है वो भी, so that I will discuss afterwards. So question number 9 will be of from will be question of stack, either stack or queue, कोई एक question आता है. Second program will be of inheritance, and program of inheritance is very easy. Since I have not uploaded video regarding this, but I will discuss. I will solve this question. I will try to solve this paper. I will solve. Okay, and third program, third question will have two parts. One question will be from linked list, and one question will be of binary. 2 marks of question of linked list algorithm you have to write, and this binary tree will cover 3 marks, total 5 marks. Okay, so in section C there are 3 questions. First question will be of either stack or queue. Second program will be of inheritance. The 2 programs are here too, and the third question will cover 2 parts. One question of linked list and second question from binary. Okay, so this linked list algorithm is little bit difficult. So please, if you are not confident with this topic, please prepare this question number. These 2 questions, means program of inheritance and program of stack and queue. And the program of stack and queue is also very, it's a pattern question. Pattern question. Only what changes they do? They change the name of class, variable, and function. Only names will be changed. Okay, and these things are same. Okay, so I'm talking about this question of stack and queue. Okay, so this question, this program is also easy, and the program of inheritance is also very easy program. You can prepare for that if your teacher has taught in the class, because I have not made video for this. If possible, I will upload the solution of this program, this question paper. Okay, so through that, how much will be possible, I will list. Okay, so prepare. If you are confident with the linked list question, linked list algorithm, you can prepare that also. I'm not telling don't prepare that. If you're a good student, you can prepare that also. But here, one program of stack and queue, stack or queue. One question will be of inheritance program, and the third question will have 2 questions, one of linked list and one of binary tree. The question of binary tree is very easy, but this question of linked list is very little bit, not that much, but little bit difficult. In question number 11 means in last question ये थोड़ा सा obstacle है ये linked list की program algorithm. So if you are a good student, if you are prepared for this, good. I'm not telling don't prepare this, but program of inheritance and program of stack and queue in my view is easier than this. Okay, so this is all about the pattern of the question paper and topic wise marks I have discussed. Okay, so again I'm telling you, please Boolean algebra, focus on Boolean algebra. That Boolean algebra topic covers 26 marks out of 70. Very important. Okay, please cover it. And in Boolean algebra, the topic K map covers 10 marks, and that criteria question covers 5 marks. And please learn all the Boolean laws. Because of that, also many questions will be solved. And prepare all the circuits, half adder, full adder, encoders. In encoders, you have to prepare decimal to binary, octal to binary, especially these 2. Sometimes hexadecimal to binary. And in decoders, you have to prepare 2 decoders, 2 cross 4, 3 cross 8 decoders, and multiplexer. So please prepare these things, then just I have discussing with you. So still any confusion regarding this pattern or any question or any topic, please let me know. Ask me through comment section. And please watch this video as much to understand again and again. Okay, thank you to watch this video till end. I hope no doubt is left. If any doubt, you can ask through comment section. Thank you. All the best. And in next video, I will come with solution of this specimen paper. Okay. So for this video, this much only. Thank you. Bye. All the best.